Hi, I'm Yusuf Kagbo from Oscar Tech. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we learned how to download and install R and R Studio. So if you want to know how to download and install R and R Studio, the link is in the description below. In this video, we are going to learn the basic data types that we can use to store and manipulate data. Understanding this data type is fundamental for working effectively in R. If you are new to this channel, please go down below and click the like, share and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and let's go on to this tutorial. In R, there are several basic data types that you can use to store and manipulate data. The data type that is used to store text and string is known as character. For example, I love R is a character. Let's demonstrate this in R and see what class I love R falls on. From the demonstration, we can see that I love R is a character. The second type of data type is logical. We use true or false in R to represent the data type logic. Let's demonstrate an example of logical data type. But true or false can be abbreviated as T and F, that is capital T and F. A whole number that can be positive, negative or zero and not fractional number is known as integer. For example, -5, 1, 5, 8 and so on. This can be used to perform all sorts of operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. To specify that a number is an integer, you can add the capital letter L. Now let's prove that 26L is an integer in R. To see what class 26L is, we use the class function. To see the difference between an integer and a number, we use the class function. For example, we can also use this numeric function to know if a variable is a number or an integer. Now let's see it from R. This shows whether it is true or not. A collection of elements which can be different data type is called a list. Now let's see how to make a list in R. To make a list in R, we use the function list. For example, Now let's run this. As you can see, we have just created a list. To see the list we just created, let us just type the object we just created, info.list. As you can see in the console, these are the lists that we have created. Data frame, a special type of list used to store tabular data where each column can have a different data type, is called data frame. Now let's see how to make a data frame in R. To make a data frame in R, we use the function data.frame. For example, as you can see, we have just created a data frame. Let's run this code. Now that we have run the code, a data frame has been created. To see the data frame we have just created, we can just type the object that we just created. As you can see in the console, this is the data frame we just created. It is important to note that there are other data types of R, such as raw to store raw bytes, vector to handle the collection of elements of the same data type, complex, it is used for handling complex numbers, double, this is used for handling higher precision numbers. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out my other instructional videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.